This is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the drawer roller assembly on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new drawer roller assembly for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Note that this repair applies to all drawer roller assemblies in this model of refrigerator. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Using a T20 Torx bit, remove the screw holding the roller assembly in place. If you need to purchase a new roller assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align, and reinstall the screw. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today, and if you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.